Hey, ever stare at a jar of sourdough discard in your fridge, feeling a mix of love and what am I gonna do with all of you? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you that jar holds the secret to the easiest, most delicious breakfast you will whip up all week? Today, we are transforming that humble discard into something magical rather than throwing away. Sourdough discard crepes. Get ready because these are so good, you will be baking them on repeat. If you're looking to kickstart your sourdough journey or need a reliable starter, you have to check out the dehydrated sourdough starter available on our website hankery.com/shop. It's super active and makes getting started a breeze. You will got that beautiful discard and you're thinking, another pancake? That's exactly where this recipe was born. We wanted something light, something quick, and something that felt a little bit fancy without, actually being fancy. And after a lot of kitchen experiment and a few less than perfect batches we won't talk about, I have cracked the code to the ultimate sourdough discard crepes, super easy and delicious. Just a simple 3 ingredients plus a pinch of salt. That's it. Let's start to make it. First step, grab a medium-sized bowl. First, add your 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. Then, a tiny pinch of sea salt. Crack in 1 large fresh egg now. And finally, add our star of the show, the 150 gram sourdough discard. The secret? Yes, it's all about that 150 gram sweet spot for your discard. Without it gives you the ideal batter consistency, thin enough to swirl, but sturdy enough to flip without tearing. Trust me, we have done the culinary research for you. Now, just whisk it all together until it's smooth and lump-free. It looks like a thin pancake batter. That's exactly what we want. Head over the cooking stove, heat your pan, pop a non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Once it's warm, add a tiny pat of butter or some small drizzle of oil and give it a swirl to coat the bottom. We want a very thin layer of fat. Now for the fun part, pour about 1/4 to 1/3 of your batter into the center of the hot pan depending on the pan size. Immediately lift the pan and gently tilt and swirl it around. Watch the batter spread into a beautiful thin circle. This is where the crepe magic happens. By all means, if you can buy a crepes pan, go for it. You can see the golden goodness. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. You will see the edge start to look set and turn a lovely golden brown. And the surface will start to look dry with little bubbles. The flip with a thin spatula or a spoon. Carefully slide it under the crepes and gently, confidently flip it over. Cook for just another 30 seconds to 1 minute on the side until it's lightly golden. Cook patiently one by one. Slide your perfectly cooked crepes onto a plate. Repeat with the rest of your batter, adding a tiny bit more butter or oil between each one if needed. Stack them up. They won't stick, we promise. So there you have it. A super easy, super delicious way to give your sourdough discard a starring role. Give these crepes a try this weekend. And tell us your favorite topping in the comment below. Here's recap my sourdough discard crepes recipe, or you can go to hankery.com for print out recipe. If you love discard recipe, don't forget to check out my next video, make delicious scallion pancakes with sourdough discard. Turn your sourdough discard into crispy, flaky, and flavorful scallion pancakes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more sourdough adventures, and click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out any upcoming recipe. Swing by hankery.com to grab your own dehydrated sourdough starter.